Hello all my dear grade 10 elite students. Welcome to today's session on my channel Mathematics Made Easy. In today's video we are covering for your coming Math Term 3 exam from the exam coverage Learning Objective 8 from part 1 of the video. So let's get started with the video and see what we are learning today. So in today's video we will be covering Learning Objective 8, that is find the y-intercept of a function. If you see here, you are given quadratic function of the form y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So for this we have to find for each function three things. Number one, the axis of symmetry. Number two, the y-intercept. And number three, the vertex. So to find each of these three things, we will use the following formula. So first we come to axis of symmetry. So the axis of symmetry is given by x equal to minus b by 2a. The y-intercept is given by the point where x is 0. Remember, so when we put x as 0, this whole term's first 2 vanishes and you're only left with c. So here c is going to be the y-intercept. And last you have to find the vertex. So for getting the vertex, you put x equal to minus b by 2a in fx, that is the given equation. Calculate the y and that will give you the point x comma y, which is going to be the vertex. So this is the formula we are going to use for solving each of the questions. So let's solve the first and the second question here. Okay, so for the first question, your value of y is given to be x square minus 2x minus 12. So if I compare it with the standard form of a quadratic function, we know a is 1, b is minus 2 and c is minus 12. So first let's calculate the axis of symmetry. So for that we will use this formula. So the axis of symmetry is equal to, given by x equal to minus b by 2a. Let's plug in the value. B is minus 2, a is 1. So this is going to be x equal to 1. We've got your axis of symmetry. Let's put this value back in the equation and get our answer. So when I put x equal to 1 here in this equation which is given, let's see what is the value of y. So I'm going to use this equation. When I put 1, this is 1 minus 2 minus 12. So this point is going to come out to be minus 13. So what is the vertex here? X equal to 1, y equal to minus 13. So we've got the axis of symmetry, we've got the vertex. Now we need the y-intercept, which is nothing but the value of c. So this c equal to minus 12 is the y-intercept. That completes question 1. Let's do question 2 now. In question 2, a is 1, b is 2, c is 6. So definitely we have already got the y-intercept. Let's do that first. So that is equal to the value of c equal to 6. Now let's calculate the axis of symmetry. So to calculate axis of symmetry, again I'm going to use the same formula, this one. So x is going to be minus b by 2a. Put the values of b and the values of a, and this comes out to be, for this question, x equal to minus 1. Now put this x equal to minus 1 back in the equation. So your y will come equal to minus 1 square plus 2 times minus 1 plus 6. On simplification, this comes out to be 5. So the vertex for this question is going to be minus 1, 5. So that completes your solution. Let's now solve question 3 and question 4. I will do 3 here. Again, we use the same formula that we saw. So first we find the axis of symmetry. So that is given by the formula x equal to minus b by 2a. A is 2, b is 4, and c is minus 8. So let's plug in the values. So this comes out to be minus b over 2a. So it is minus 1. So the equation of axis of symmetry is minus 1. Let's now find the y-intercept. So y-intercept is given by the point c. So c is going to be minus 8. So your y-intercept here for this question is minus 8. The only thing that is now left is vertex, which is given by x comma y. X is already with us, minus 1. Let's get y from the equation. So 2 multiplied with minus 1 whole square plus 4 multiplied with minus 1 minus 8. On simplification, this comes out to be minus 10. So the vertex is going to be minus 1, minus 10. So that completes the solution for question 3. Let's do question 4 now. So for fourth, I will just make a boundary here. So for question 4, our A is 2, B is minus 12, and C is 3. So first we find the axis of symmetry, which is given by this formula. Plug in the numbers carefully, don't make any calculation mistake. Simplify, and this comes out to be 3. So the axis of symmetry is x equal to 3. Let's find vertex by putting back in this equation. So y is going to be 2 times 3 square minus 12 multiplied with 3 plus 3. Simplify, solve, and this comes out to be minus 15. So the vertex is vertex is 3 comma minus 15. Now comes the last thing, which is y-intercept, and by now you must have got an idea that it is nothing but the value of c. So your y-intercept is at c equal to 3. So this completes your solution. In a similar way, I would want you to try question 5 and 6 yourself. I'm now giving you the final answers for these two questions. For question number 5, the axis of symmetry is given by x equal to 2. The vertex is given by 2 comma minus 16, and the y-intercept is given by y equal to minus 4. So please check your answers. And for the last question 6, we have the axis of symmetry, which we calculate by the formula x equal to minus b by 2a, given by x equal to minus 1. Vertex, which you get by substituting this value back in the equation, is minus 1 comma minus 5. And finally your y-intercept, which is going to be y equal to minus 1. So that completes all the questions for learning objective 8. Brings us to the end of today's session. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that everybody can benefit from these revision videos. Until then, this is Ms. Ruchika signing off from today's session. See you in my next revision video for grade 10 elite. Bye bye.